The next topic is General Ledger Reports. General Ledger Reports organize transactions recorded in the various journals by account number. To preview or print these reports, select General Ledger from the Reports menu. First, the Budget Report lists period and year-to-date budget amounts for each account. This report is available in all versions except for Peachtree First Accounting. The Cash Account Register lists all transactions in a cash account along with a running balance. The General Journal lists all General Journal transactions for the selected date range with related General Ledger distributions. This journal is used to record transactions that cannot be entered into one of the subsidiary journals, such as the Sales Journal or the Purchase Journal. It's useful for verifying General Journal postings, including beginning balance amounts. The General Ledger shows all transactions in each account for the selected accounting periods. This gives vital information about the activity and balance in each General Ledger account and provides detail for financial statements.